Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a few days since my last video. I have been traveling. I am traveling around Southeast Asia and my internet is not so good, but I'm at the hotel room now, so I'm gonna do a quick update here on the chart for EOS, and this is EOS versus the US dollar, and these are the one-day candles. And this is going to be an update from my last video on EOS. I remember I gave two targets. This is my last video for EOS Technical Analysis. And I gave, as a first target, 13.5. And I said we could probably find a little bit of resistance before breaking through. And then the next target, it was going to be 17.13 here. From breaking out this descending wedge. So right now this is the chart. So we passed through the first target. As I said, it would be only a little bit of resistance after breaking the previous all-time highs. If we go to smaller time frames, we can see in the 1 hour chart, we can see we did find some resistance, but it was actually more support than resistance. But anyways, we broke through this. Let me go to the 4 hour. So we broke through this. It didn't take much, and then we went up, and now we hit already my second target, which was $17, 17.15 I have here. And I think this is definitely going to be resistance, because I mean, we broke through, we went as high as 18 point something, but I think this is going to be either strong resistance, or maybe we just break through and it'll act as a support and it'll stay here consolidating or something, because it's not only the target from the descending wedge pattern. The target was right here. It's not only this target, but it's also a Fibonacci line that I set here. So I did the Fibonacci extension from this previous high here, which is the previous all-time high here. Okay, almost the all-time high here. The close of the candle is exactly here. So the first all-time highs up to this previous all-time high here, and the extension lines that we see above. One of them, the first one, the 161.8, it's exactly at $17.15 per EOS. So I'm pretty sure, I mean, nothing is sure, but I'm pretty sure we're going to find resistance there. Not only this is the target from the pattern, it's also the Fibonacci line from the extension, and also we see that we are overbought in every time frame. Now I'm in the 4 hours and the RSI shows overbought. If we go to the daily, we are overbought, and if we go to the hourly, we are also overbought and just crossed bearish as I am recording this video. So we could be finding some resistance here, or at least a level of consolidation, but I do have a new target up. Let's go back to the 4 hour chart. I do have another target above here for $22, and the way I got this target here is because I'll show you here. This is a rounded bottom. This shape, it's called rounded bottom, and rounded bottoms are bullish patterns, and when they break out, they have to meet targets as well. So let me do this maybe thicker. So as you can see, the price follows like a rounded shape on the bottom, and once it breaks through this level on the top here, it has to meet a target, and the target is from the top to the bottom of this pattern. So from the top, which is this level here, to the bottom, you would say it's here the bottom, but reality is the bottom is down here. You still have to take the lowest point. So this is the bottom, and this is the top. So once it breaks out, the price has to travel up the same vertical distance from this bottom to this top. So the vertical distance is going to be from the breakout, which is at this level, The vertical distance is going to be at around $22 for EOS. So my next target is $22, but as I say, there's a stronger resistance right now at the level of 17 point something. It's going to be a little bit different, I guess, from exchange to exchange. This is Bitfinex, but yeah, around 17 we could find some resistance, and once we break through, then the target would be $22. But I think the RSI is going to have to come down a little bit before we can break through and go up again. So let's see how this plays out. Let me remove some of these lines and I'll save this chart. I'm going to remove this just to clean it up. And I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to save it and I will update on my next video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.